Ron from Richmond has vacation leaks.
Well, the problem actually happens when he gets back.
Oh.
Okay. Ron writes,
Then he should stay on vacation.
It's not that kind of leak. All right. I turn off the water to the house. That kind of leak when I go on vacation.
Understand.
I leave the faucets open. Okay. So he turns the water off. He leaves the faucets open. And when I turn the water back on, the kitchen faucet leaks below the cabinet area. I turn the faucet off and on, and there's no leakage. It only occurs when the water is initially turned on, and it only happens in the kitchen faucet. So, Tom, Ron wants to know what you think is causing this problem.
What I think is when he he shuts the water off to the house.
Yep.
Don't leave your faucets open.
Okay.
Okay, keep them closed. And then turn the water back on and let it pressurize up again, because I think what's happening is it's drying out all his seals in the faucet because it's all open and all the air is getting up in there.
The
and
seals get moist and then they start doing their job.
Well, yeah, eventually, yes.
Right, okay.
Right, so don't keep them open. Keep them closed. Turn the water back on, and then you'll avoid a water hammer too.
Now, I was going to say that there's a way, you say sometimes to turn it off. Is that to get rid of the water hammer? Is that
right? You want to pressurize everything before it goes out the faucet.
Right.
And that way you have these risers, 16-inch risers in the wall.
Right.
And you want to push air up into them. If you don't, then they might not fill up with air. They might not fill up with air. They'll fill up with water, and then you get a banging when you turn your water off. Okay. So that's how you avoid a water hammer.
So Ron has the right idea. Turn the water off to the house.
Absolutely.
Just don't bother with the taps around the house.
Keep everything shut.
Okay.
Okay, don't open.
I almost think when you go, you should turn the water off and flush the toilet, because you don't want that extra water sitting there in case the tank breaks while you're gone.
Well, no, it's only about a gallon. 1.3 gallons, I do believe, is what it is, right?
Well, I know.
Now, if it's running all the time, then it could be 103 gallons, and that's when you're running into trouble.
I bought 2 in the last week, so I should know that.
You have been a busy home improvement bee.
I have. I feel like I'm single-handedly holding up the GDP in the first
I have
quarter.
a feeling that there's a very smiley person in your house getting all this new stuff.
She is.
Okay, fine.
And if she's happy, I'm happy. And we're happy when you send us your questions about home improvements. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com. Visit our website. There's a button right there in the middle of the homepage. It says Ask Tom. Click that. Send us the question. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.